I said.
But what are you certified from any
Yeah,
school
I-
of sports?
Yes, sir. ERAPS.
What is that?
Nuclear Resistant Exercise Professional.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Let's go ahead. Chalo. Wait, I'm
So,
ready. We
you
straighten
look
up my
fit.
hair.
You look fit.
It's already recording? No?
Yes, yes. It's already recording.
Okay, so you'll edit it later?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, right. Okay, go ahead.
So you look fit. What it takes to become a fit in this age? I think you would be 50 plus,
I'm 62.
62. Oh my God, it's totally stunning.
Thank you very much,
Yes.
Mr. Pandey.
So how you are
What it takes, I'll answer your first question.
Mm-hmm.
What does it take to remain fit? It's discipline, one.
Mm-hmm.
Number two is it's addictive.
Mm-hmm.
So once you get fit,
Mm-hmm.
you won't trade it for anything else in the world.
Yes.
Three, it comes at a cost. It comes at a social cost
Okay.
because you like to sleep early,
Uh-huh.
you like to wake up early.
Uh-huh.
Then after, at least on a Sunday,
Uh-huh.
you have lesser energy to do much more after that because you're recovering.
Yes. Yes.
And fitness for me is about the mind and the body.
Mm-hmm.
If you have a healthy state of mind, your body is likely to be perform better,
Yes.
and it will show in your aura. Your skin will glow if you're happy with it. So you have to condition your mind and you have to condition your body. And I indulge in various sports. I've been running since the age of 10, so it's been what 49 years of running. Is it?
Nice. So inspirational.
Ask me your next question.
So, how would you find out time? I believe you do have work, family, everything.
You have to make time, and typically rise early, sleep early, rise early, and you're home by the time the rest of the family wakes up, or if you've got small children, by the time they go to school.
Okay.
I stopped working now, so I do only pro bono work. So, but when I was working, 6 to 7:30 every day of the year was very possible.
Okay.
And 7:30 you reached home by 8, had a shower, left at 8:30, and you were back from work at 9. Had your dinner and slept again by 10, 10:30. So life goes on.
Your
You
life
have
is
holidays
full of
and
discipline.
oh yes, discipline is important. So the bottom line is fitness is addictive, and once you are fit, you will not trade it for anything.
Right. Right.
And if for some circumstances in life, if you let's say slip away or slow down and you get unfit, you will force yourself to get fit again. A person who is addicted to fitness.
Exactly.
So you might put on weight due to injury or travel or festivals or ceremony, anything in the family, but you'll still work together. It'll take longer, but you'll have the discipline to come back.
So, your fitness is almost like 20s or 30s.
That's kind of you to say that God is kind.
Yes.
I
So do you
attribute it
follow any nutrition regime or something like that?
I was a shikari till the age of 36. I rested my weapons then and I turned vegetarian at the age of 38. And now I'm a vegetarian, so vegetarian food is healthy.
Okay.
And as you go older, I have cut down on milk.
Okay.
So I have ghee, I have butter, I have cream, and I have reduced my sweet. I'm a compulsive sweet tooth,
Okay.
but I don't buy sweets. They reach my home and I eat them in measured quantities.
Okay. How do
Those
you
are the
control?
success. Huh?
If you have sweet tooth, and how do you control people?
It's discipline.
Oh.
When I run, I'm heavy.
Okay.
So you don't like to be heavy when you run.
So what I do, I'm also a sweet tooth, and people bring sweets, mithai, I do all things. So I ask my wife, give to somebody else.
Yes.
If you will keep it in home, maybe I can pick one or two. So I give it to somebody else, and that's the only way I can stop myself taking it.
That's a noble thought.
Yeah.
We share, definitely we share, but we still keep some for ourselves.
Okay.
I don't buy.
Okay.
No chocolates, no burfi, no nothing. But I was the kind who could drink half a bottle of chashni once upon a time.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much for your time. God bless
Thank you, Mr.
Stay
Pandey.
strong.
Swasth raho, mast raho, that's
Ji,
my
ji.
motto.
Okay.
God bless. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.